We are looking at what is the meaning of this phrase and how to pronounce it correctly in English and how it is said in Spanish. This is a phrase extracted from The Simpsons, a phrase commonly used by Bart Simpson. It is his second most commonly used catchphrase behind "Eat my shorts." Ay Caramba were also Bart's first words. Believe it or not, he first said it when he was a baby and saw Homer and Marge in bed having sex. Bart uses the phrase to express surprise, emotional distress, or discomfort. In English, it is normally said as Ay Caramba. In Spanish, though, Ay Caramba. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce interesting words that are often mispronounced and what they mean. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.